The Welsh Rugby Union has announced plans for a radical overhaul of the professional game in Wales, which could see a reduction in the number of pro teams from 2026. A formal consultation will take place in August and September between the WRU, the four existing professional clubs, Cardiff Dragons, Ospreys and Scarlets, and other stakeholders. This wide range will cover the entire high-performance system from player pathways and academies to the senior men's and women's games. The WRU has concluded that the current structure involving national teams, pro clubs, universities, schools and community rugby is not delivering sustained success and is financially unsustainable even with recent efforts to raise revenue. After 18 months of internal review and dialogue with clubs, the governing body is considering a major restructure to concrete the investment and reform the entire model.
On the game, and our country can be proud of us. We need to re-establish faith and trust and confidence here for all, for our partners, for our stakeholders, for our rugby family as a whole.
On the pitch, Wales finally ended a 644-day wait for a Test victory, defeating Japan in Kobe. The long overdue result halted a miserable run of 18 consecutive Test defeats and lifted Wales 2 places in the World Rugby rankings, moving from a historic low of 14th to 12th. The win offered a glimmer of hope as Wales try to get credibility back on the international stage. It boosts their chance of being seeded for the 2027 World Cup draw. Falling outside of the top 12 would be a risk of so-called group of death, something the WRU will be desperate to avoid. Wales now face a stern autumn schedule with Argentina, Japan, New Zealand and South Africa all lined up. While structural reforms loom off the pitch, the priority on it is to build the momentum in Kobe and prove that Welsh rugby's long rebuild is finally underway.